Hello. I came here from Missouri to the Same Day Appliance Repair Academy, not really knowing what to expect. I spent 20 years in a previous field unrelated to anything like this. Um, this has been hands down some really great training. If you're considering on moving into this field, these people are definitely the best to go to, in my opinion. Um, they treat you like family. They've just been absolutely great. The instructors, just everything about the experience has been just overall just wonderful. Um, yeah, I just don't think you could ask for much better training than what we got while we were here. The training on the sealed systems was definitely hands down probably my favorite. It just seemed like it was very thorough from start to finish, and just hands down, like I said, if you're looking or thinking about getting into appliance repair, this is definitely the place to go.